At some point in our life, we experience stressful events. For instance, at the workplace, if you are being given a deadline for you to do a kind of work, and definitely if you haven't been able to finish the work before the deadline and the time too is reaching, that event can put stress on you. Also, in the academic setting, if an exam is being scheduled for you to write, and you know for sure that you haven't prepared enough to write the kind of exam, and the time too is reaching for the exam, that simple event too can pose stress on you. I hope you understand. Also, in our relationship and family life, our children or partners may demand something that it is above you. You can't actually, you know your willpower, you know that this kind of thing they are demanding, it is above you, you can't be able to sort them out. That simple event too can put stress on you. So this means that stress is part of our daily life. But sometimes if this stress continues for a very long time, it has a link with the blood pressure. Now that is why in today's video I would want to explain to you so that you know about the link between stress and blood pressure. So let's go into details. I am Kojo Emmanuel. Now when we talk about stress, anytime you are being stressed, there are certain hormones in your body that is being released. One of these hormones is epinephrine, another one is cortisol. Anytime these stress hormones are being released, it has an effect on the heart. So if you can remember or you can testify to the fact that anytime you are stressed or you are anxious, you see that your heart begin to pump. You begin to have fast heartbeat. I hope you understand. This is because the stress hormone being released, which include the epinephrine and the cortisol, they have an effect on the heart. So they will make the heart begin to be beating fast. And once there is a fast heartbeat, it eventually affects the blood pressure. I hope you understand. So any moment you are being stressed, there is an effect on the blood pressure which makes it to increase. So if this stress continues for a very long time, so this means that your blood pressure will eventually be spiking up always, because the moment you are being stressed, your blood pressure increases. So if it continues for a very long time, your blood pressure will continue to increase too for a very long time, and that might eventually affect your blood pressure. So stress itself is part of our daily life, but if the stress continues for a very long time, it can eventually affect the blood pressure and make your blood pressure increase, thereby affecting you so that you can have high blood pressure. I hope you understand. I know for sure that this explanation I've given to you will actually help you for you to understand how stress affects the blood pressure. Thank you.